Hello, Pat Skeets here from meandmycricket.com. Um, that's my website. I have tons of pages to inspire you there, loads of ideas, and there's design space links for everything. So let's get started. Today I'm going to do, I love this page. It looks like bees are the theme this year, and so I have found this paper pack that is Graphic 45. It's called Let It Be. It's absolutely gorgeous papers. I'm in love with it. I'll use it on everything with yellow until it's all used up. Okay, so I'm using this paper for frames and this for a background, and this one has little bees all over it. I'll show you the papers. Here, this is what I'm going to be using, and this is a background with stripes. There's like faded muted honeycomb on that, and there are bees all over this. So they're my backgrounds, and these are the photos that I'm using. We were at a botanical garden, and we took the kids there, and then we gave them each a camera, and they took pictures of the flowers all over the place. And we took a picture of this girl. So it's a 5x7, so I'm putting it all by itself on this page, and the others of the floral pictures I'm placing over on the right hand side. So I did find this paper has, see, there's great big sunflowers on here, so that inspired the whole thing, plus these yellow flowers. I thought this paper would be perfect. So I have a sunflower and a bee theme going on here. Now I decided to do honeycomb on the background here, a great big honeycomb, and then I used the same image, only in 3 layers, for the background here up in the corner. And then I found this amazing cartridge that has sunflowers. Oh, I love it. It's called Splendid Sunflowers. I'm going to show you this cartridge. If I put image sets and type in Splendid, I'm a slow typer. Here it is, Splendid Sunflowers. Now I'm going to click on that. Look at this. This is the frame I'm using. Look at this corner. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful bouquet. These are the corners I'm using here. Oh, look at these. They're so beautiful. There's a circle frame as well. And there's, I think that some of these that cut out, they look like printables, but I guess they're cutouts. Look at that sunflower. Great for a title in there. Oh, I love this. Okay, let's get back to it. Beautiful. All right, so I've used that frame here. I'm going to put it right on top of the photo. And then I found some cute bees. These little bees here are from Spring Fling, that image set or cartridge. And the larger bee is from Zany Animal Graffiti. So, oh, this frame is from when I was a kid. And the honeycomb is from a cartridge called Bees and Honey. So, now, there's a lot of cutting out to do on this page. All these little bits, they're all little pieces. It's like a jigsaw putting it together. But I'll give you a tip for it when I'm putting them together when we're in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out and we're going to make this beautiful page. All right, let's make this page. It's gorgeous. You'll find this page in Everyday Life Scrapbook 49 at my website, meandmycricket.com. All of my pages are Design Space links there. So I hope you can find lots of inspiration there. Okay, I should put my background down first here. Got my honeycombs. This page was a lot of work. So I've done a honeycomb for over here as well. Now, I actually like this better without the layers, just the white and the background yellow. I had started inking these and gluing these on when I realized I liked it better the other way, but it's too late, so I'm using it anyway. But I suggest you just use, I did a lighter yellow for the top, and I don't care for it. All right, now we have a gorgeous frame for this photo, so I guess I'll just have to tape that. Is this my regular tape? Whoops. Backwards. Yes, it is. All right. Let's try and get this straight. Okay. I'm going to overlap that like that, because I do want this cute title to be here. So I'll raise this all up. Now this is this beautiful frame. Okay, between this frame and the corners on this page, there were so many little pieces to cut out that were cut out, and then I had them all over the place. I pulled out a black plate, plain black plate, and put them all on it. And it was like putting together a jigsaw puzzle for 2 days. So I finally realized I had this paper still. So I suggest you keep this. And then I taped it to the background, however it went. It's like this. I taped it to the background, and then it was, once I had it in perfect alignment, stuck it there, clipped it together, and then I placed, it was so much easier to place every piece in there. And so I did that for another one of the corners. After I had done one corner looking for and hunting for pieces, it drove me crazy. But this was a good solution for me. And then I took a marker, because the pieces were too tiny to ink. So I took a marker and went around all the edges. So I love this kind of frame and these kind of images so much that I do spend the time doing that. I imagine some people would not bother, but I like the results in the end. Okay, let's mat these photos. And, oh, this is so pretty. I'm going to be using this paper on every chance I get. Everything yellow. Every page I do with yellow will be using this. Going with the bee theme. I think bees are one of the in things right now. Yeah, this goes this way. And this one goes here. I'm matting these in white to just pop it a bit. There's so many bright color, deep colors on this page that this just lightens it all up. There. So that and that. And then this, there is a stem on this, so I will put the flower growing up. And then here's one of the beautiful corners. I'll put that up there. And this corner I'm going to put down here. And then I did these cute bees. Now, they have a marker on this as well. So I use my Cricut with the pen in it. I don't do that very often, so that was very easy. I should do it more often. It adds nice detail to the images. And then I have this other bee that I have done, and so I'm going to put him up here. He's a funny looking bee. He's a cartoony type character. Now, with this queen bee title here, I wanted to add some embellishments because these gorgeous embellishments come with that paper pack, this Graphic 45 set. So I am going to do something with some of them. I'm going to do a cluster here, and I have to figure out what I'm going to do there. I haven't figured that out yet. I'm thinking I like this. I don't want to introduce too much red. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, that's good. I also, there's well, here's a border. In a world full of roses, be a sunflower. In a world, yeah, it repeats the same image. I'm going to, there's two borders here, but I'm going to use them right here. And that goes right underneath it. I love that message. I've called this Queen Bee because she's the eldest of 3 kids. So she's the queen bee in her house. She's an adorable girl. Okay, now I could add a couple more flowers. I don't think I'm going to add too much more. I like the stripes showing on that side. And maybe if there's a bee image, here's a bee right here. Maybe I'll just add this here. Oh, there. I think I'll put that there. So I'm really liking this page. Anyway, I hope you like it too. I guess that's going to be it for this. Thanks for watching.